Hi guys, Flying Falcon here. Today we are playing the labyrinth. Yes, we are, because in the last video, my comeback video, I said I'm probably gonna do this, and I just had the urge to. So I'm doing this. So let's go maze. There's anything in the air, anything, something to do with this? Is it? There's just a swimming pool, something over there. Why do they have a big lake if they're not going to use it for anything besides swimming? Plus, I'm losing option. So, let's go in. The map found an area. Pretty cool. Pretty cool area. Or anything? Okay, good. Re- Retrace my steps. That way? If not, I should go down. Oh, well, this was goodbye, guys. So basically, this is the end of me because I drowned when my head was above the water, but it's actually acid. Um, it's actually acid. So what to do now, I guess? What to do? Okay, we're going to do here. We got myself a little group. That guy's just run off. That guy's just looking in the distance. Ooh, over here. Guys, over here. Oh, crap. We can't get across. Over there we can. Let's try and get over. So, night has arrived. Right now, the worst spot to be would be in the dark zone. That's dark. It's actually really dark. Oh, I have butterflies. Oh, God. Well, I'm not gonna have butterflies. Oh my God, the dark zone. Screw it. It's the only way to go. Okay, guys. Oh God, that'd just be creepy if it snatches me from behind. But guys, I'll either see you if I'm dead or if I make it to the other side. Goodbye. Yes. Wait, wait, wait. Yes. It's on the other side. I was gonna say. Wait, no. Oh God, this isn't the right way. I went out the same way I came. God, back in the dog zone. Well, I died. As you can see in the chat, kill me, grievers. I tried to attract one closer. No, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Okay, let's find out some dancing. Then let's get back to the main room. I'm gonna ask you guys if they want to be a team. What? What? So guys, while I'm just coming down the street and while it's still night behind me, hold on. I might show you around or next day. But over there is where you can turn into a monster. Over there is your title. My title is the survivor because I've escaped. it's locked until you unlock something. It looks like in 5 minutes later. So you can equip all those and because they're just like. But the runner you need to exit the maze 7 times. I've only done it um I've only done it 5 times. But okay, we're gonna team up with these guys that I have. Let's go move it. Let's go. Hmm. Okay, so you team effort. Go across here. Oh my god. Yes. Was dangerous. This is a bit from the movie. Oh my god, I am dead. My vision. Oh my god. That's close. No, that's not fair. That's close. I try at least. Let's go this way. This way. I want to see who's on the leaderboard. We got Volker, Patty, and one I. Right. Wait. Oh my god. Volker's right there. Oh my god. The best playing with. Look, he's the best. Oh my god. I need to find him. He's probably out doing some major things. Bang bang. I'm following this guy. What animation does he have? I'm actually gonna forge something. So when I end up forging something, I'm following all the people who are following these two because they seem to know where they're going. Well, don't join, just follow behind. Quick pick up boxes, just follow lanes. Wow, it's really bright in here. This episode's gonna be nightfall, called nightfall, because I'm all alone in a maze. Because these guys are dumb enough to jump down there and they drown. Because there's no way to get back up unless you go through there, which I did. And I'm at night. I'm not liking the odds. Whew. That's why I'm not commentating. I'm just. Oh, really? I need 2 people. Oh god. How about if I. No. Yep. It's not what I can do. Thought I should bring books. Jeez. This is how I die. Oh, this is where I came through. Wait a minute. Am I able to make my way back? Please say I am. Why did the music come on? Oh, come on. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. I just won't make it till night. Till day, sorry. I will see you when it is day. Day one. Or should I say night one? Gates haven't opened yet, but I'm confident someone, someone will try and save us. Hopefully. It's 1 hour later. Basically, I'm not actually lying. A big griever came in from that side. Oh my god. I need to start building a forted area. Best chances of survival. It says there's the sun. Freaking yes! Yes! You entered delayed or whatever. Oh, whatever. Oh, it is good to be back. After that, hey, slow down. No way, bro. Oh, yes. Oh, I don't care how boring this is. I'm going to chop this tree down. You're going to watch it. Oh, you didn't know how long I was actually in there for. Oh, and I was facing the griever. Someone else died. Oh, oh, is there any drinks in there? Oh, it's a bar. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I'm calm. I wonder, am I on the top 10? Most PvP kills? No. Most monster kills? I'm definitely not on there. Does it scroll down? No, because I've been last. Oh, of course, Volp is first. Highest level. Wow. Most XP February. Volp. Then you. Then you. Um, highest level. Oh, man. Okay. I see what I have to do. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Noob, get out of the way, noob. So if you enjoyed this episode, leave a like, subscribe to me, please. Oh, oh, and please subscribe. So I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye. Oh my